Namaste, my name is Rui Zimmer, I'm International Meditation Master. Today I want to speak about the Miraculous Castor Oil with baking soda. So castor oil has a unique penetration power. It breaks up congestion, dissolves blockages and supports healing deep in the tissues. When combined with baking soda, it becomes a versatile natural remedy for skin, joints, digestion and more. This simple blend can address over 19 health issues, from rough skin and scars to fungal infection and joint pain. So the benefits of castor oil: deep penetration into the skin, intense hydration and nourishment. Then stimulates collagen production, improves scars, wrinkle and skin texture. You see it on my skin, you know. Okay. Natural anti-inflammatory and healing properties. Benefit of baking soda. This is gentle exfoliation, removes dead skin cells. Antimicrobial action protects small cuts from infection. Helps balance skin pH. So, how to make the castor oil plus soda paste? Mix 1 spoon castor oil with 1 spoon baking soda. Test on a small patch of skin first to check for sensitivity. Apply paste to be desired areas, cuts, scars, dry skin, wrinkles and so on. Leave for 15 minutes. For best results, cover with a warm cloth. Then rinse it with warm water. Use every second day or 2 times per week. Too frequent use may over-alkalize the skin. Okay, now comes the use and applications. For skin, acne and scars. Apply 15 to 20 minutes twice a week. Wrinkles and aging skin. You see my skin? Okay. Improves elasticity and texture. Actually, I'm 67 years old. Okay. Rough or crinkled skin. Feet and palm. Soften and repairs. Nails. Strengthen and helps repair damage. So, insect bites and rashes. Soothes irritation. For sure, because it's alkalized. For fungal infections, nail fungus, athlete's foot, apply passed over, leave for 30 minutes twice daily. Then for warts and eczema. I could not find anything to remove my eczema under my, what is it here, right eye. And with castor oil and soda, no problem. Then for warts, here was a big wart, here was a big wart, and all warts are gone. Apply paste directly, cover with a bandage. Leave on continuously, changing paste and bandage twice daily. Over time, the wart or eczema patch may shrink or fall off. You can try 1,000 remedies, and for eczema, this is the only thing that I have found that helps. And for warts, it's easy. Then for joints and muscle and circulation. Massage paste into sore muscle and joints. Improves circulation, stimulates lymphatic drainage. Helps remove toxin via the lymph nodes. Apply with circular massage under arms, groin and belly. Then for digestion and bloating. Massage paste on the abdomen, cover with warm cloths for 30 minutes. Helps relieve congestion, bloating and sluggish digestion. Optional internal use. Take 2 to 5 drops of castor oil. Too much works as a strong laxative. So we have learned this as a kid and so on. So thank you that I could speak about this, and bye.